Number 17 is in standard form. So it's something times x plus something times y. In other words, if both of those x's and y's are on the same side, it's easier to do the intercepts method. So if I put a 0 in for x, x goes away, and the opposite of y is -1, so y is 1. If I put a 0 in for y, y goes away, and it says x is -1. This gets really simple to graph. I graph 0, 1, and I graph -1, 0. I connect this with the straight line. I put arrows on both ends because the line is infinite, all solutions of the equation. Number 18, I've got y equals 2x, so I'll do an xy table, a t table, but I'll do 0, 1, and 2, so I'll go 2 times 0, that's 0. I'll do 2 times 1, that's 2. I'll do 2 times 2, that's 4. Again, all I'm doing is putting the values in for x as I go. So I'll graph those points. 0, 0, 1 over 2 up, 2 over 4 up. I'll connect them with a straight line. Again, with arrows on the end of the line so that it indicates that it's infinite. Let's look at number 19. Number 19 is going to take some modification. I'm going to move, let's see, strategy-wise, I'll move this 3y over there, and I'll move that 3 over there. That'll get me in standard form. So like I said, let's move that 3. And I don't have anything to put it with over on that left side. I'll move the 3y as well. That'll go with the 2. So this is gone, and this is gone. Let's rewrite after the dust settles. Of -3 equals 4x plus -1y. Okay, so now I'll set up my t-table with my intercepts. And 0 and 0. So I'll 0 out the x. It'll be 4 times nothing. That'll go away, won't it? And I'll have the opposite of something is -3. Well, if the opposite of something is -3, then y must be 3. Now I'll put the 0 in for y, and that'll cause this thing to go away because -1 times 0 is 0. I'll divide both sides by 4, and I get -3/4. So I've got 0, 3, and I've got -3/4, 0. That's right about there. I'll connect this with the straight line. Now remember that when you graph a line, it doesn't have to be a perfect representation. Is that exactly 3/4? No, it's not, but it's pretty darn close. So I graph that line. I put arrows on the end to indicate that it's infinite. Let's look at number 20. 20 is y is 5. This is one of those special cases. I'll just set up my t-table because I do that. And if y is 5, it's always 5. So I'll just put a bunch of 5s here in the y column. And I'll pick some numbers, 0, I'll pick 1, and I'll pick 2. 0 over 5 up. It's right there. 1 over 5 up. It's right there. 2 over 5 up is right there. Connect those dots with the straight line. And put arrows on the end because the line's infinite.